The world is watching, inspired by the courage and determination of a nation that refuses to give up. As one resident eloquently put it, the future is bright because we believe in it. We are not just surviving, we are thriving. And with that belief, Burkina Faso's future leaders are indeed rising stars, lighting the way for West Africa and beyond.
Hey guys, as you're watching this video, our vision is to reach 500,000 subscribers. Hit the subscribe button, join membership to support our channel, and join Patreon and PayPal. All the links are in the description. Do that to stand with us for this beautiful cause of One Africa right now. We do not forget to sign up for the petition. The link is down below. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. This is the journey to One Africa.
Burkina Faso has always been a land of resilience, courage, and hope. In the face of adversity, its people have shown unwavering determination to create a brighter future for themselves and their nation. Recent events have further exemplified this spirit as families, communities, and leaders come together to rebuild and inspire hope amidst challenges. The nation, situated in the heart of West Africa, is no stranger to hardship. Yet, in every corner of the country, stories of hope and action are emerging. Families who have faced immense loss are finding strength to move forward. Women, often the backbone of their communities, are embracing new opportunities through training programs, designed to empower them with skills in trades such as hairstyling and tailoring. These initiatives aim not only to provide livelihoods, but also to restore dignity and purpose. We are committed to ensuring that the wives, orphans, and injured receive the support they need. One leader remarked during a visit to a community center, "The establishment of centers across the country underscores the government's dedication to creating safe spaces, where women can learn new skills and children can access education without interruption. These centers are not merely facilities, they are beacons of hope, representing a collective commitment to overcoming adversity. The importance of education in shaping the future cannot be overstated. Children, the future leaders of Burkina Faso, are being given the tools they need to succeed. Despite challenges, schools remain a place of hope and promise. Teachers, often working under difficult conditions, are instilling not just academic knowledge, but also values of patriotism, solidarity, and resilience. Burkina Faso is a rich country, rich in spirit, culture, and resources, a sentiment echoed by many. The narrative of poverty and despair is being replaced with one of potential and opportunity. The nation's wealth lies in its people, whose collective efforts are building a foundation for sustainable growth and development. In villages and towns, families are finding solace in community support. Social services are stepping in to ensure that no one is left behind, whether it's providing access to healthcare, ensuring that children can attend school, or supporting women through vocational training. The goal is clear: to create an environment where every individual has the opportunity to thrive. A significant part of this transformation is rooted in the belief in solidarity. The concept, often misunderstood, is being redefined through action. Solidarity in Burkina Faso means standing together, sharing resources and supporting one another in times of need. It is this collective effort that is driving the nation forward. We decided to fight for it to stop, because the longer it takes, the more it hurts us. We are in this phase right now. It is to prepare all the forces and really engage in the fight, so that those who have defeated us can really rest in peace. This is the only condition that they will rest in peace. When we are going to fight, revenge brings peace, so we are committed to this sign. It is also about taking care of our wives and the children of the nation. When people get involved, they also need to know what's going on behind the scenes. If we don't take care of what's behind the scenes, it's a bit complicated. That's why we really came to inquire about the conditions of the family, to know if everything is going well, what we can bring. What we are currently doing for the families is to build centers everywhere. so that the wives can learn the jobs of their choice. In the end, we try to reinstall them. Also, to ensure that the social services take good care of them and the children. In perspective, I think we have a karmic agency that we are creating in the presence, to take care only of the wives and orphans and the injured. This is the purpose of our visit. At the heart of this movement is a deep sense of patriotism. Leaders are calling on every citizen to embrace their role in nation building. The message is clear: we are the heart of West Africa. If Burkina Faso stands strong, the entire region benefits. This rallying cry is resonating with people from all walks of life, inspiring them to contribute to the country's progress. Amidst these efforts, the focus remains on ensuring that those who have made the ultimate sacrifice are honored. Families who have lost loved ones are not forgotten. Leaders are visiting communities to offer support, listen to concerns, and reaffirm their commitment to a better future. These gestures, though small in the grand scheme, mean the world to those who receive them. The fight against adversity is not just about survival. It's about creating a legacy. A legacy where future generations can look back and see the turning point when their nation chose hope over despair. It's about ensuring that the children of Burkina Faso inherit a country that values education, solidarity, and resilience. The journey is far from over, but the direction is clear. Burkina Faso is rising, one step at a time. Its people are united in their pursuit of peace, prosperity, and progress. The world is watching, inspired by the courage and determination of a nation that refuses to give up. As one resident eloquently put it, the future is bright because we believe in it. We are not just surviving, we are thriving. And with that belief, Burkina Faso's future leaders are indeed rising stars, lighting the way for West Africa and beyond.
Reposer en paix. D'accord? Et aussi remonter le moral parce que c'est vrai qu'on va réveiller des souvenirs, mais on ne souhaite pas, c'est pas l'objet de la visite. C'est vous remonter le moral, savoir qu'on est à côté de vous. Voilà. Donc, en tout cas, beaucoup de courage. On priera Dieu pour le repos éternel de leurs âmes. Et surtout prier pour ceux qui sont engagés actuellement, parce qu'ils en ont besoin. Merci beaucoup à vous. Merci beaucoup. Merci.
This is the journey to One Africa.